patio, bro. Your real estate resource right here in the Silicon Valley. Yeah, Silicon Valley can be a really expensive place to live. Arguably, it's one of the most expensive places here in the United States. However, we do have it all over here. You want a $300,000-$400,000 condo, or you want a $30-40 million mansion, you can get it all, or anything in between. I am proud to bring this listing to the market, ideal for first-time home buyers or any investors. Let's check it out. Welcome to this beautiful maintained home featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The floor plan has open concept with a bright living room, dining area, and kitchen with breakfast bar. Additional amenities include a built-in desk area. Both bathrooms have spacious closets and plush carpeting. The patio is easily accessed from the living room, allowing an abundance of natural light to flow throughout the main living area. Well, thank you so much for taking the tour. As I mentioned earlier, I'm your real estate resource. No matter where you're buying or selling here in the Bay Area, reach out to me anytime and I'll see you at my open house this weekend. We're gonna have live jazz music, food and drinks. Can't wait to hang out with you. See you soon. Bye-bye.